with your local Lincoln forecast. 10:11 now meteorologist Brad Anderson.
Well, welcome back and good afternoon. Lincoln Currents showing that we do have a mix of clouds and sun in the air. We've seen some sunshine, but those clouds have moved back in, and I think that continues this afternoon. Mix of clouds and sun. 74 at the studio, 76 at the airport. The wind is calm, a little humid out there. Dew point at 64, humidity at 67%. Other temperatures over south central and southeast Nebraska are generally in the 70s, with 76 in Lincoln, 75 in Beatrice. It's 81 though in Geneva, 78 in Grand Island, and 79 in Hastings. 65 in O'Neill, 78 in Grand Island, with 75 in Broken Bow, Imperial, McCook, and North Platte, currently at 80 degrees. So a little bit muggy this afternoon, not too bad, but it is going to get more humid as we head into the weekend. Tomorrow, temperatures upper 80s to near 90. Could be looking at dew points in the middle to upper 60s. And then Sunday, we'll see temperatures in the 90s, and we could be looking at those dew points in the lower to perhaps middle 70s. So if we do see the mid 90s in Lincoln on Sunday, it might actually feel more like 100 with the humidity. Now, Monday, it's still going to be a hot day. In fact, temperature-wise, will probably be around 100, but maybe a little bit drier air moves in, so the dew point will drop it. Again, still going to be hot, and then Tuesday, more hot and muggy conditions expected, maybe a little bit of relief on Wednesday. As far as the wind right now, for much of the morning, we've seen a southerly breeze at around 5 to 15 miles per hour, but now looking at more of a north-northwesterly wind at around 5 to 15, and we may be looking at a few gusts to around 20, 25 miles per hour. We had a few clouds this morning, then we had a period of sunshine this morning, but we're also looking at this batch of clouds that's been moving from northern Nebraska into eastern and southeastern sections of the state, also with the daytime heating, bringing some of those fair weather clouds. So that mix of clouds and sunshine expected for this afternoon, not looking for any kind of precipitation, and temperatures will be on the warm side. High pressure is building into the area, so we should trend more towards clearing skies for this evening. Warm front developing to the high plains will start to move to the east. There's a chance that we may see a couple of isolated thunderstorms over northern and eastern sections of the state as we head into very early Saturday morning. And then we'll see partly to mostly sunny skies, again warmer with 90s in central and western areas. We might make it up to 90 in Lincoln tomorrow afternoon. Also, as we head into Saturday evening, we may also see a few thunderstorms, especially along the Missouri River Valley eastward, but I still think there's at least a slight chance for Lincoln. But again, the better chance for storms, maybe Omaha into western areas of Iowa, and then that chance continues as we head into Saturday evening. Now, there's another chance for storms late Saturday evening into Sunday morning, chance for scattered storms again. Now, as far as severe weather, not looking for any kind of severe weather today, but on Saturday there is at least a marginal risk, which means isolated severe storms for northern and eastern sections of the state. And then the outlook for Sunday indicating a slight risk over western portions of the state, scattered severe storms, but central, eastern areas also under a marginal risk, which means isolated severe storms a possibility over the weekend. So the rain is not going to be widespread. We're not talking about any kind of widespread thunderstorms at this point, but they will be hit and miss. But some of the storms that do develop could be strong to severe. Lincoln forecast 3 o'clock this afternoon, partly sunny and 79. That north wind around 5 to 15 miles per hour. 6 o'clock temperature right around 80, partly sunny. I think overall it should be a nice evening if you're heading to the Salt Dogs game. North wind again 5 to 15 and about 75 around 9 o'clock. Again, partly cloudy, north-northeast wind around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Not a bad afternoon for the pool, looking at upper 70s, lower 80s. Maybe not quite as warm as I'd like it as we head into the pool season, but still talking about partly cloudy skies, a little bit of a north wind around 5 to 15 miles per hour. High temperatures this afternoon, lower to middle 80s, 82 in Tecumseh, 81 in Lincoln, 84 in Geneva, with 84 for the high in Grand Island, 79 in O'Neill, 84 in Kearney, with 89 for Imperial and McCook. Lows tonight generally in the 60s. Most of these readings are at or slightly above average. 63 in Lincoln, 63 in Kearney, with 63 in O'Neill. High temperatures Saturday. It will be hot, especially central and western areas with middle to upper 90s perhaps. 99 in McCook, 91 in Ord. I think we have a chance to hit 90 tomorrow afternoon in Lincoln with 91 in Beatrice, and again more humid. It will be hot on Sunday with low to mid 90s, upper 90s in southwest Nebraska, 94 for Grand Island, 94 in Lincoln, and around 90 in Orb. So again, mid 90s Sunday, that 30% chance for storms Sunday morning, and then it will be hot and breezy on Monday. Maybe not quite as humid, but still talking about our temperature around 100, perhaps our first 100-degree temperature of the year, and first one since last August 27th was the last one. Hot and humid again for your Tuesday with a slight chance for storms. A little cooler for Wednesday with scattered showers and thunderstorms possible, then around 90 on Thursday, and at this point it's looking mainly dry. So Today's not the best pool day for me personally, but next week, if I had a pool, Monday would be a great day.
Our first, every day is a pool day for me in the summer.
That's
Brad,
true, yes.
Or these temperatures. But finally, the triple digits.
That's right. Have a pretty good chance, especially on Monday, to see our first 100-degree temperature of the year.
All right. Thank you, Brad.
You bet.
Well, next on 10-11 now at noon.